dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel. Today, giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. Why be part of Karobonge matter kon yano na hey. The matter get as a bio. The Edo State APC chairperson Jared Tinebe don come out con denounce the attack on the party members and lawyers during the inaugural sitting of the Edo Governorship Election Petition Tribunal on Monday. Hey, my people, no be smoke gbese o. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State Accountant General Gbos has reviewed the internal debt profile of Edo State government as of November 11, 2024, pegging it as over 1 trillion. Hey, my people. Gbos real. But guys, before I go bring the matter, go like, welcome. Those who join us on today wonderful news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining. I am people make a Yana the mentor. The Edo State chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Jared Tinebe, has denounced the attack on the party members and lawyers during the inaugural sitting of the Edo Governorship Election Petition Tribunal on Monday. My people, the incident occurred at the High Court Complex on Saple Road, Benin City. So, Jared Tinebe don come out and describe the attack as unacceptable and regrettable. He can review said the Edo State APC had previously alerted security agencies about the planned assault. So now, in the lament, said the police failed to act on the intelligence. Speaking on Tuesday in Benin City, Jared Tinebe stated that many APC members and lawyers were caught off guard by the violent invasion of the court complex by thugs. So he called on authorities to investigate the attack and ensure those responsible should face justice. My people, Jared Tinebe analyzed the issue. He said the thugs violently attacked APC members and some lawyers representing them and other political parties, with many persons sustaining various injuries. He said the thugs, who were seen in branded t-shirts and face cap, came with battle axe, bottle and other dangerous weapons, which they used freely on APC members who did not provoke any fight. So they took over the court premises and adjoining streets without resistance from the police. So in that circumstances, Edo APC talk say they will not guarantee the restraining of their members in subsequent court dates. So they are left with no option but to defend themselves. So now my people, the Edo chairman of APC can urge the teaming members of the party to remain calm, peaceful and law-abiding, while admonishing all residents of Edo State to continue to support the focus and visionary administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki. But this matter will be say it happened, this attack will happen on APC and people where they represent them. They said they're not going to rest until those people involved is being featured and they are going to face judgment. My people, don't be small castle out. The Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal on Monday begin pre-hearing in Benin City on petition challenging the September 21st, 2024 governorship election results that was declared by Independent National Electoral Commission. So the session was made by violence as thugs invade the Edo State High Court. Supporters of 7 political parties disputing the All Progressive victory were attacked by unknown individuals outside the courtroom. Security operative responded by blocking the court entrance and setting up roadblocks on the road leading to the venue. So my people, right now APC don't come out and condemn the attack. See, the attack was on APC members. He said police no even do anything. But my people, yesterday from the story we get, they say security operative responded by blocking the court entrances. But now APC they talk say police no even intervene. That all those attacks were on their members and people representing them. My people no be small casala. So now I go like make una chook mouth for this matter. Make una tell me what una think, what una feel for this matter. How una see this matter, because they never even enter the main cocoa. Now talks don't start to invade the pre-hearing. My people, how does this matter? I would like know in the comment section. Let's make it live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. My people, the Edo State Accountant General Gbos don't come out and review the internal debt profile of Edo State government as of November 11, 2024, pegging it at over 1 trillion. So now my people, the Accountant General, who made the revelation during the meeting with members of Edo State Asset Verification Committee, also reported that Edo State internal debt was 282 billion. Anelu said the increase in the debt profile was occasioned by the depreciation of the value of Naira, saying at the time the loan were taken, the value of the Naira was not as low as it was today. So the Cathedral told the committee that his office had written to all the banks in the state that had transactions with the state government to furnish them with their statement of account to present to the committee. He also told the committee that through investigations that they will discover that most of the loans were channeled directly to the agency for which they were secured. So he promised to furnish the committee with all necessary and vital documents to make the job less cumbersome. On the mode and method of contract execution and payment, the Accountant General told the committee that most of the payments were made through the commercial bank that served as surety for the contractor and financed their project. So he also disclosed that the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning, would appear before the committee to explain their own budget implementation and performance since 2017. Sanelo assured the committee of his willingness to comply with their demand by making available all relevant documents, including payment voucher, in respect of all transactions that was carried out by his office. He said immediately he received the committee invitation, he informed all departments involved in financial transactions to get their documents ready for the committee. His own self, he said he can only assure the committee of his office support and cooperation to avail all ready documents. He is going to avail them the information they needed with all the necessary information about the assets, liability, and financial transaction that was carried out through his office as the Accountant General of Edo State. So he have advised the committee to constitute a subcommittee to cover the areas that main committee might feel not necessary to check or look at. He opined that the subcommittee would also reduce the workload of the main committee as well as fast track or increase the speed. Don't be small, but say, my people, the Accountant General don't let us know, say, the debt profile of Edo State government as of November 11, 2024 is over 1 trillion. My people, don't be small, wow. Hey, come present the report to Asset Verification Committee that was set up by Mondo Bobolo. He said the external debt was 282 billion. My people don't be small, so I guess I would like make una chook mouth for this matter. Make una tell me what una think. He said the one way be saying go fit defend na the transaction we pass through in office, but any other transaction, he said may they go contact other departments, may they come present their own. But the one way he fit defend na the one will be say him himself handle, and he don't tell all the bank where they involve, say may they furnish them with the necessary statement of account so that thing go feel present and to the committee where Mondo Boblo set up. So because I go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me what I think, what I feel for this matter in our comment section. I go like hear from una. Once again, thank you so much for staying to yours. But if you haven't subscribed to it yet, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on Reality Latest Gist. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to yours. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Bye for now.